In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Translate for Docs. We are going to walk through using the built-in translation feature in Google Docs, so you can create a translated copy of your document without leaving your browser. First, open your document in Google Docs. Make sure it is the document you actually want to translate, with all the latest changes already typed in. You should see the familiar Google Docs interface, with the title at the top left and your text in the main white page area. If your document opens in view-only mode, check that you can click into the text and see a blinking cursor, because only an editable document can be translated into a new copy. Once your document is open, click Tools in the top menu bar. You will find Tools near the middle of the menu row between Insert and Extensions in most layouts. When you click Tools, a drop-down menu appears, stretching down from the top of the screen. This menu contains many options related to editing and processing your document, such as spelling features and word count, so do not worry if you see a long list. From there, select Translate Document from that Tools menu. It is usually in the upper half of the list, labeled clearly as Translate Document. When you click it, a small window pops up in the center of your screen. This pop-up is where you set up the new translated version, and your original document remains dimmed in the background so you know it will not be changed. Next, enter a name for the translated copy. In the pop-up, there is a text field that probably suggests a name, often starting with copy of, followed by your original title. Click into that field and type something clear, for example, adding the language at the end, like Report Spanish or Notes French. A clear name helps later when you search your Google Drive and see multiple versions of the same document in different languages. After naming the file, choose the target language. Just below the name field, there is a drop-down list labeled Choose a Language. Click that list, and a long set of language names appears in alphabetical order. Scroll to find the language you need, then click it once. As soon as you choose a language, it shows in the drop-down, so you can double-check that you picked the correct one, which avoids translating into a similar but unintended language. With the language selected, click Translate. The pop-up closes and Google Docs begins creating the new version. After a brief moment, a fresh tab opens with the translated document, and you will see its new name at the top, plus all your content now shown in the target language. Finally, Google Docs creates a new translated document in your Google Drive. The original stays unchanged, and the new file appears in the same folder as the source document. You can confirm this by looking at the folder name next to the title, and later by opening Google Drive and seeing both versions listed there. So now you have translated your entire Google Docs document into a new language and saved it as a separate file. If this helped you get a clean translated copy, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Google Docs tips.